Where are we?
On our way to the airport.
Yeah, we're going to LAX right now because we're gonna fly out to London. And it is hot out here right now in LA. We're at the airport, just waiting for our plane, 3 hours and.
It's electric! Oh, here we go! Stone Cold and the Rockets changing blows! Nick Foley, see what you've done? Look at this! Austin back in the Rocket! Look at all
Listen, every bunch. You excited now? Are you excited now?
Yeah. I'm excited.
Making our way to the plane.
Really?
For those customers just joining us, a very good evening to you all. Welcome aboard your Virgin Atlantic operated service this evening, the VS14.
After 10 hours, we're finally here. I haven't had 1 ounce of sleep yet. You guys you had like 1 or 2 hours of sleep. And then I'm so sorry. It's like 1 o'clock p.m. here. So I'm gonna have to stay up another 10 hours before I can sleep again.
Old town. Oh, sorry.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi there.
It looks like an old town.
Yeah, so I'm saying everything looks built.
It looks like London.
So we got off the train and it sucked because I walked into a bar, literally. And then we got our luggage and we're going to the hotel right now. And it's pretty nice out here. Opened up all my crap. Here's the other side. We have separate beds. There's Trish doing stuff. We're going to Borough Market. We're gonna walk to the train and then eat, because that's what we do, eat. This is the Borough Market. Just went to Boston Sausage.
Is it really garlicky?
It's not garlic, that's
Like spicy?
no,
Oh.
it's super sour.
Ooh.
What? Tastes like breakfast, sort of. It's like a sausage McMuffin kind of flavor with a little jammy, the jam over there.
It's gourmet though.
We are waiting for this place called Medea. Apparently they have really fresh pasta. So 4.5 on Yelp, so we're gonna check that out.
Good. It's like mozzarella.
Big ball of cheese, right?
Mozzarella and really soft cheese inside. It's really good.
Look at this fancy girl. We're at the London Bridge. Oh, well the sign's even blocked, but it says the bridge there.
Oh, yeah, it was blocked. Oh, that was cute. So directed
Wow. Hey guys, we're at the Stand Home Firms for English breakfast full. Here's the menu. Which are there.
So I'm gonna try the beans. Baked beans. Here. So this is tomato, mushroom, baked beans, eggs, sausage, bacon, and toast and butter.
Now is this egg, is this a special egg?
I don't know. Is it like cage free?
still cage free.
Just waiting for the tour to start. We're here at Covent Garden.
We're at the Sandman tour. If I remember, we'll put a link in the description so you can sign up. Get a free tour. Seems cool, man.
2010. Like originally planned to this road. Now, looking behind me, this is Diagon Alley from Harry Potter. If you read the books, this is what J.K. Rowling was describing when she was describing this hidden shopping street where you buy all of your magic supplies before you go to Hogwarts.
Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley.
You're a jerk.
Very sexy show. No man at all. Hi.
Napoleon jumps out of his throat. No one can travel over.
We're in the middle of the tour, but we took a break to take pictures in front of this bed. Buckingham Palace, where the Queen's office is. So we just finished the tour, and it was pretty great. Right over there. We're just gonna shop and eat and check out some more stuff. We're at this place called Sketch to eat, and apparently they have fun looking toilets, so we'll see how that's like. Like some kind of egg thing.
Hello. We just came from Sketch. Pretty awesome. I enjoyed the bathroom. Pretty colorful. What do you call it? Cream tea and my scones are pretty awesome too. How about your steak?
Day 2, and I'm afraid I'm becoming more London by the minute.
I love it. It's like the buildings look cool and it looks pretty.
As soon as I started eating the steak, I feel like I was gonna give it like a 6 or a 7. But over time, that flavor really grew on me, and it became like an 8.
Yeah,
Like a 7.
the broccoli and cheese, like
Yeah, it wasn't-
tartar sauce. Is that
wasn't-
what it's
yeah,
called?
I don't know.
Tartar sauce.
Was it really?
I think so.
Oh, I just thought it looked
But it was
like that.
pretty good. We're going to the stop.
You should watch it. 50-degree weather,
Yeah.
and I'm just wearing 2 shirts. Wow, right? Wow.
No spoilers.
Pretty damn great.
Oh, actually, there's a book already, so.
I didn't read it. I don't read.
I didn't read it yet. So everything's a surprise.
I'm gonna Wikipedia it later and spoil myself for tomorrow.
No.
We're at the Times Square of London.
Piccadilly
Circus, yeah. Piccadilly. So we're back. My feet killing me. We walked around everywhere. We walked to the Times Square. We walked to that other place, some center or something. What's that area that we walked to? The second one?
Leicester Square?
Yeah, that one. Something square. Oh, so we got some KFC because we went to this pub and we didn't realize how late it was, and their kitchen was closed, so we got some to-go food. Surprisingly, KFC was open. Some people were drunk. It was funny. And now we're here. We're gonna eat this, knock out, and that's the end of this day.
Bye. Let me eat in peace.